Okay, students, we're moving through the book to Chapter 3, Section 3, multiplying decimals by whole numbers, which is exactly what our I can statement is. I can multiply decimals by whole numbers. I can multiply decimals by whole numbers. Okay, so example number 1 is find 5 times 36 hundredths. We're not going to use a model to represent this today. We're just going to learn how to do it. So I typically put the longer number on top. Understand that 5 is bigger than 36 hundredths, but the 0.36 is a longer number. Okay, so then we multiply 5 times 6, which is 30. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Then 5 times 0 is 0. So I'm going to count the number of digits that are to the right of the decimal in the problem. In this particular situation, there's only 2 digits to the right of the decimal. Understand that that 5 is a whole number, so the decimal's right here. There's nothing to the right of that decimal. So starting here, I'm going to scoop 1, 2 places. So the product, we'll talk about that in a second. The product of 5 and 0.36 is 1.8. Remember that product is the answer in a multiplication problem. The answer in a multiplication problem. All right, looking at example number 2. 6 and 25 hundredths times 5. Again, I'm simply going to write this so that the longer number is on top. All right. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. I have 2 digits to the right of the decimal in the problem, so I'm going to scoop 1, 2 places to the left. So you would say the product of 6 and 25 hundredths and 5 is 31 and 25 hundredths. Okay, example number 3. 3 times, what would that be? 47 ten-thousandths. Okay, again, I'm going to put the longer number on top, but I need you to understand that 3 is a larger number. Okay, because with 3 it's a whole number and your decimal's right here. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 3 times 0 is 1, add 1. 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits to the right of the decimal. This does not have anything to the right of the decimal. So we're going to scoop 1, 2, 3, 4 places, and it's going to land right there. I don't know if my hand was in the way. I started here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would say the product of 47 tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths and 3 is, okay, let's see how we would say this. 141 ten-thousandths. Okay, so you guys have some problems to do on the back. Do the very best you can. Come back, get a key, and check for accuracy. Good luck.